This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming data and battery. You need both phones unlocked and reachable. On the host phone, open Settings and locate Hotspot or Tethering because that's where you turn sharing on. On the client phone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so discovery works. You do this now to avoid interruptions. Make sure the host's mobile data is active and that you know the hotspot password or pairing prompt. This saves time and prevents failed connections later. Once the host hotspot is active, set an easy-to-read SSID and a strong password. This helps you identify and secure the connection. On the client phone, open Wi-Fi, find that SSID and enter the password, or open Bluetooth and pair if tethering that way. Bluetooth is slower but uses less power. You'll see a connection indicator when linked. Make sure mobile data indicator on the host shows activity. If apps need internet, test with a browser to verify. To finish, confirm the client has stable internet and watch the host for data and signal strength because that affects speed and reliability. When you're done, turn the hotspot off to save battery and preserve your data allowance. If the client won't connect, try simple fixes. Toggle hotspot off and on, restart both phones, or forget the network and rejoin with the correct password. These actions clear temporary glitches and usually restore normal tethering quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.